Hello viewers, welcome to the goals. Today my topic is roughen tool. In this video we will learn that how we can use roughen tool in CorelDraw. So we use roughen tool for sharpness the outline of any objects. So you can see I have some objects. So let's see the example that how it's work. Go here and select the roughen tool from here. So in the property bar, first we have nib size. From here we can increase, decrease the nib size. So now click on it and see. So from here we can increase or decrease the frequency of spikes. Like now we have current spikes of frequency is 5, but if we increase it, so you can see this, you can see the difference. Here we had 5 spikes and now we have 8 spikes. And if you want to do immediately, so drag it like that. Then we have drag out to the effect. So first increase the number of drag out. Now click on it. Then click on OK and see the effect. So from here we can enter a fixed value of tilt setting. Like for example, I tap 60. Now just see that you can see now we have spike direction. From here we can change the direction like fixed direction and auto direction. Then we have value of bearing. Just increase and see the example. And we can make object outline in different style. Like see the example. Fill the color. And now let's see. So you can make the outline just like that. So it was today's topic. If you wanna learn, so keep watching my videos. Thank you.